Hey everybody, so this ballet workout that I want to share with you, the reason that I love it so much is because it doesn't feel like a workout. I literally do it when I'm cooking dinner or I'm waiting for the dogs to come in from outside, and sometimes I split it up throughout the day too, and I'll do like front kicks at one point, and then maybe in the evening I'll do my back kicks and my stretches. I just love it because sometimes it's so hard to get to the gym. It's just hard. And so this is a little something that I do to make me feel like I've gotten that workout in, but it doesn't really feel like a workout. So I will show you the technique now. So the first thing you want to do is find your countertop, and all you really do is a basic front kick. So you get up on your tippy toes. You want to make sure that you engage your glutes and your abs, because you want to be as straight as possible. Think of a string that's just carrying you all the way up, okay? Like a puppet. So you're stretched up as high as you possibly can go. And you don't want to have too much pressure on the counter, but you also don't want to fall, so. And you basically just do a forward kick, keeping your legs as straight as possible and your posture as straight as possible. So I will sit here and do anywhere from like 5 to 10, depending on the amount of time that I have. So you just want to make sure that you do the other side. Okay, and then the other exercise is just a reverse kick. So same concept, same technique, but instead of kicking frontward, you just kick backwards. And this one is a little harder to keep your chest up, so you just really need to be thinking about that there's that string pulling you upwards. I just do however many, just the same amount on each side. The last one that I do is just kind of a simple stretch. So you just act like this is your ballet bar. Stick your foot up and you just stretch as much as you can. But you do want to make sure that you're keeping your legs straight and your chest up. If you cave in like this, it's hard to breathe. So what I tend to do is I will think up and then over. That way that you're keeping your chest up and it's easy to breathe and talk, obviously. So I'll do this. And then of course you have to switch to the other side. So, okay, so that is how I do my little ballet workout, my 3-minute, 3-step workout. And I just do it because sometimes I can't get to the gym. So I hope you can fit it into your routine. If nothing else, at least it's working your body out a bit, right? That's all we can ask for, us busy moms. Anyways, hope you have a great day.